Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to Unacademy YouTube live classes. This is Pratik Kumar here friends, and I teach aptitude live on Unacademy. So friends, today we are going to solve most of the case problem in mind. So friends, our topic will be ratio and proportion. A ratio and proportion is one of the very easy topic, but most of the students feel it is one of the difficult topic. Okay, so hello Suma, very good evening. So friends, today we will be learning the tricks as well, and then we will try to solve most of the problems of ratio and proportion. Okay, so friends, without any delay we will be starting with the session. And friends, before that I just wanted to tell you, so this is Pratik Kumar here, now teaching live on Unacademy Kpsc. You can use my referral code Pratik10 for 10% discount. Now friends, about me slide. So my name is Pratik Kumar. I have worked as central government employee. I have worked with ISRO team for the student satellite project. I have worked in many MNCs like Tata, Motorola and Nokia Networks. I have done my graduation in BE from MSRIT Bangalore. I have more than 9 years of experience in teaching UPSC and Kpsc exam. I have got the Best Aptitude Trainer Award by the Kpsc Academy, and I have conducted bank UPSC Kpsc awareness program in many of the Bangalore reputed colleges. So hello Baka, Prabhu, Hadpad. So very good evening all of you. Okay, now friends, so now I am going to start with the session without further delay, and then later on we will be seeing how Unacademy is going to help you in your preparation and how can you make yourself better for clearing Kpsc examination. Okay, so friends, ratio and proportion is a common topic, and it will be used or asked across all the aptitude examination. Okay, now so when the question number 1, so before solving this question number 1, we will be learning few concepts on ratio and proportion. Okay, so ratio and proportion. So friends, the first concept in ratio and proportion will be, if any data is given in terms of ratio, suppose A is to B has given as 5:6, then you can write A value will be 5x and you can write B value will be 6x. Okay, so you can write A value will be 5x and then you can write B value will be 6x. Okay, so friends, any places if you find, so any places if you find the data given in terms of ratio, you can easily write in the terms of values. Okay, now the same thing friends we will be doing here. So the ratio between two numbers is 5:7. So suppose my number A and B is nothing but 5:7. So A will become, so value of A will become 5x and then the value of B will become 7x. Okay, now and their product is 560. Their product has been given friends. So product, so 5x into 7x, their product has been given equal to 560. You can see friends, 7 will divide this by 80 times and 5 will divide this by 16 times. So x square value will be equal to 16. So x you will be getting as 4. Now the value of x you have already got as 4. They are asking what is the difference between these two numbers. So the difference between two numbers will be nothing but 2x. X is 4, so 2 into 4 will be equal to 8. So friends, like this we will be able to solve each and every problem of ratio and proportion easily. So this was one of the problem, the basic problem which I discussed now. Now moving towards the question number 1, from here we are going to start with very much basics. If you have any doubt friends during the session, you can ask your doubts, so no need to hesitate. Okay, now A is to B will be equal to 5:7 and B is to C is equals to 6:11. They are asking you to calculate A is to B is to C. Now how to calculate A is to B is to C? So friends, let's see. A is to B is nothing but 5:7. Okay, B is to C is nothing but 6:11. Now friends, you see B is at two different places. B is here and B is here, but their values are different. Friends, if you sit at two different places friends, definitely your weight will not change. So if B will be at two different places, the value should not change. What I will do, I will multiply by 6 here, I will multiply by 7 here. I am going to make B same, because if B is same, then I can easily find out A is to B is to C. So now it will become 6 5s are 30 and 7 6s are 42. So A is to B became 30 is to 42 and B is to C will become what? 6 into 7 will be 42 and 11 into 7 will be 77. So A is to B is to C. Now the value of B is common, so we will be easily able to get the value of A is to B is to C. Okay, now friends, if it is clear to you, then I am going to give one question and then you need to solve it. Okay, then you need to solve it. So A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3 and B is to C is equals to 4 is to 5. Now I am asking you what will be the value of A is to B is to C. So let us see how many of you are able to answer. Now let us see how many of you are able to answer. Okay. Now friends, so I asked you one question here and that question you need to solve it. So the question is, okay. So the question is friends, so A is to B. Oh, just a minute. Okay. So A is to B is nothing but 2 is to 3 and B is to C is nothing but 4 is to 5. Then you need to calculate A is to B is to C. Now friends, again we can see here the value of, A is to B and B is to C. So B is different here and B is different here. Now friends, if you want to make B same, then multiply here by 4 and multiply here by same, because when value of B will be same, then only we will be able to calculate A is to B is to C. So A is to B. Okay, now if we multiply by 4, 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Now B is to C. 4 3s will be 12 and 5 3s will be 15. So now I can say A is to B is to C will become 8 is to 12 is to 15 and that will become my answer. Okay friends, so I hope this will be clear to you. Now friends, moving towards question number 2. So my question number 2 is, if A is to B, so A is to B is equals to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equals to 8 is to 9. Then we have to calculate A is to C will be equal to what? Okay, so friends, is these concepts are clear? So are these concepts are clear friends? Okay, now here we are going to calculate A is to C. So friends, basically they don't want B. So there is two ways of solving this question. So let us understand first way and then second way. So friends, A is to B is nothing but 3 is to 4 and B is to C is nothing but 8 is to 9. Again, I will try to make the value of B same. So I will multiply 2 in the first equation, A is to B. Now you see A is to B will become equal to 6 is to 8 and B is to C will become equal to 8 is to 9. They are asking A is to C. So A is to C will become nothing but 6 is to 9. 6 is to 9. Okay. So friends, 6 is to 9 will become the correct answer. So you can say option B will be the correct answer. So Aarti Patel, very good evening. Okay. Now friends, one more thing you can see, A is to C, you can also write A divided by C. Both are same. So here A divided by B is nothing but equal to 3 by 4. B divided by C is nothing but 8 by 9. Now friends, I am going to multiply both. So if I will multiply both, what will happen, that we will see. Into 8 divided by 9. So B and B is getting cancelled. So 3 4 2s are. So A divided by C will become equal to 6 by 9. Or we can also say A by 6 will be equal to 6 by 9. So friends, I have told you two methods. So using this two method, you can solve the problem. So you can just see the value of B is not considered here. That means B are getting cancelled here. So you can go for calculating A is to C. Okay friends, I hope this will be clear to you. And now friends, moving toward question number 3. So question number 3 friends, you can only solve A is to B. That means A divided by B has been given as 8 by 15. Okay, then what all information has been given? Then B divided by C has given us 5 by 8. And then C divided by D has been given as 4 divided by 5. Now you need to calculate A is to D, that means A by D. Friends, so from here I can say, so B and C, we need to cancel it, right? B and C, we need to cancel it. So you see, A by B they have given, B by C they have given, and C by D they have given. I will multiply all three. So if I multiply all three, what will happen, my dear friends? So if I multiply all three, then I could see B and B will get cancelled, C and C will get cancelled. We will be finally getting A by D. We will be finally getting A is to D. Now 8 and 8 will get cancelled, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So we'll be getting 4 is to 15. But as such, there is no option 4 is to 15. So we'll take option A, 8 is to 30. 8 is to 30, I can also write 4 is to 15. 2 4 ja 8 and 15 2 ja 13. So 4 is to 15 can also be written as 8 is to 30. Friends, 4 is to 15, you can also write, multiply both sides by 2. So 8 is to 30, multiply both sides is by 2, so 16 is to 60, multiply both sides by 2, so 13 is to 120. So friends, 4 is to 15 can be written as 8 is to 30, 16 is to 60, 32 is to 120. It can be written anything. So friends, like this, we have to make the problems of ratio and proportion easy. And now I am going to give you one question, and then I will see how many of you are able to do it. Okay, so suppose here, friends, suppose here A is to B is nothing but 3 is to 4, and B is to C is nothing but 6 is to 8, and C is to D is nothing but 5 is to 10. Then you need to tell me A is to D. Then you need to tell me the value of A is to D. So let's see how many people are able to answer. So friends, so please try to answer. Till then you will not try, till then you will not put effort, definitely things will not change. Okay, definitely things will not change. So you need to, okay friends, so you need to solve the questions, you need to try it out, then only you will be able to solve. Tell me the answer fast. So tell me the answer fast, friends. What is the answer? Come on. Come on friends, tell me the answer. So what will be the answer of A is to D? So friends, basically what you have to do, we have to calculate A by B into B by C into C by D. Yes, what is the answer? Tell me the answer, friends. So 3 by 4 into 6 by 8 into 5 divided by 10. Okay, now friends, you can see, so okay, 3 by 4 into, okay, now I can see 5 2s are and 2 3s are. So 3 into 3 will be 9, 9 divided by 32. So 9 divided by 32 will be the answer. Friends, such a simple question, everybody should be able to do it. 9 divided by 32 will be the answer for the problem which I have given you here. Now friends, moving towards the next problem. Okay, now friends, moving towards the next problem. So okay, now friend, question number 4. If 2A is equals to 3B is equals to 4C, then you need to tell the value of A is to B is to C. Then you need to tell the value of A is to B is to C. Very good, Aarti. Yes, Aarti and Prakash. So very good, 9 by 32. Okay, now friends, this question is a very important problem. Okay, but friends, most of the people, when I will ask this question, if 2A is equals to 3B is equals to 4C, then what is the value of A is to B is to C? Then what is the value of A is to B is to C? Friends, most of the students will tell 2 is to 3 is to 4, which is completely wrong. So option B will be definitely wrong here. Now friends, so 2A is equals to 3B. So what will be the A is to B? So let us try to solve this first. So friends, 2A, and what I will do, so A will be equal to what? 3B by 2. And then B, I will bring it this side. So A by B will be equal to 3 by 2. So friends, if you are saying 2 by 3, which is wrong, okay, it will be nothing but 3 by 2. It will be nothing but 3 by 2. So friends, what is the approach, or what is the way to solve this particular problem? So friends, you take LCM of 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. And now divide by the LCM. Now divide by the LCM. Now divide by the LCM. 2 3s are and 3 2s are. So A by B will be equal to 3 divided by 2. So friends, whenever you see this kind of question, what you need to do is you need to take the LCM. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 will be 12. Now divide by the LCM. Now divide by the LCM. So 2A by 12, 3B by 12 and 4C by 12. So you can see 6 times, you can see 4 times, you can see 3 times. So my dear friends, A is to B is to C will become equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. 6 is to 4 is to 3. And in this case, option C will be the correct answer. So friends, all this problem has a particular way to solve it. You cannot solve however you want. Okay. So this is a way how you solve it, friends. And now I am going to give you one similar kind of problem, and let us see how many of you are able to do it. So let me erase it off, and then I am going to give you one problem. So friends, if 3A is equals to 4B is equals to 5C, then you need to calculate A is to B is to C. Then you need to calculate A is to B is to C. So who can tell the answer? Okay. So who can tell the answer, friends? So answer fast. So answer fast. Let's see who is answering fast. So let's see who answers fast. Let's see who answers fast. Okay. So your speed should be very fast. Now friends, what you need to do is, so take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5 and divide by the LCM. You will be easily able to get the answer. You will be easily able to get the answer. Okay. Yes. Yes, come on friends, tell me the answer. So LCM is nothing but equal to 3, 4, 5. So what will be the LCM of 3, 4, 5? So we will not be able to divide it. So LCM will become equal to 3 4s are 12 and 12 into 5 will be 60. LCM will be nothing but 60. LCM will be nothing but 60. Now friends, 3A divided by 60 will be equal to 4B divided by 60 will be equal to 5C divided by 60. Okay. Now, so friends, 3 will divide this by 20 times, 4 will divide this by 15 times, and 5 will divide this by 12 times. So A is to B is to C ratio will become 20 is to 15 is to 12. 20 is to 15 is to 12 will be nothing but the ratio. Okay. Clear for everyone, friends? Okay, very good. Now if that is clear, we can move towards the next problem. Question number 5. Okay, so question number 5. So if A is equals to, so let us see here, friends. So if A by 3 is equals to B by 4 is equals to C divided by 5, then we need to calculate A is to B is to C. Then we need to calculate A is to B is to C. Okay. Now, so okay. So friends, this is already given in that format. So you can directly say A is to B is to C will be equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5, because no need to take LCM here. It is already given in that particular format. So you can easily say the value of A is to B is to C will be nothing but equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Okay, friends. Clear? So if it is already given in that format, then no need to do anything. You will be easily able to solve the problem. Question number 6. This kind of questions you will be getting more in your exam, like calculating fourth proportional, calculating third proportional. This kind of questions we will be getting more into our examination. Okay. Now, so friends, find the fourth proportional to 4, 9 and 12. 4, 9 and 12, we are going to calculate the fourth proportional. The fourth proportional I am assuming as x. The fourth proportional I am assuming as x. Okay, friends. Find the fourth proportional to 4, 9 and 12. So the fourth proportional, whatever I have assumed, so Virendra K, very good evening, I have assumed is X. Now let us understand what is fourth proportional. So friends, suppose you are taking 4 liter of milk, then you are adding 9 liter of water. When you are taking 12 liter of milk, then how much liter of water you are going to add? This is what is the meaning of fourth proportional. So friends, if you are taking 4 liter of milk, then you are adding 9 liter of water. If you will take 12 liter of milk, how much liter of water will be required? So suppose X. Now friends, multiply the corner one and multiply the middle one. So 4 into X will be equal to 9 into 12. So Jayasri, very good evening. So very good evening all of you. Now friends, 4 3 times, so X will be equal to 27. So my answer for this particular question will be option D, which is nothing but 27. Now my dear friends, I am going to give you one similar kind of question. So what is the fourth proportional to? So what is the fourth proportional to? 3, 1.5, okay, and then so here I will write 6, 12 and then X. Okay, so friends, now you need to tell the fourth proportional. Okay, now you need to tell the fourth proportional. That means you need to calculate the value of X. So you calculate the value of X and tell me. Now you need to find out the fourth proportional of 3, 1.5, 12 and X. Friends, the meaning of, if you are taking 3 liter of milk, you are adding 1.5 liter of water. So if you will take 12 liter of milk, then how much water you will be adding it? This problem you need to solve it. So let us see who solve first. So friends, what is the answer? Friends, you need to answer it very fast. All the problems are very easy. So friends, when you are taking 3 liter of milk, 1.5 liter of water, now you are increasing this by 4 times. So this also you need to increase by 4 times. That means nothing but 6. Okay, now so friends, as I said, so 3 liter of milk and then 1.5 liter of water. Then if you are taking 12 liter of milk, how much water is required? Multiply the corner one and multiply the middle one. So 3 into X will be equal to 1.5 into 12. 3 will divide this by 4 times. X will be equal to 6. This is how we calculate the fourth proportional. Clear for everyone, friends? Is it clear for everyone? Friends, you see how easily we are doing without putting any effort. Okay, now friends, we need to solve lot more questions. Before that, I will be just telling you about my classes timing. So friends, Unacademy classes, we have started the comprehensive course. That means 0 to hero. So friends, if in mental ability, if you are 0, we will definitely make you hero. Mental ability is very easy, and we are doing everything with the short tricks. So Unacademy classes morning 8 to 10, we are doing comprehensive courses daily 2 hours. YouTube sessions Monday to Friday, friends. So the timing has a bit changed. So if 5 p.m. evening we are doing it. Special classes, friends, so 8 to 9 p.m. So in the night today you can attend 8 to 9 p.m. So every month the timing will be different. Okay, now friends, so Unacademy key features are stay at home and then study. So friends, you no need to go outside for becoming a KS officer. Sitting at home you can become a KS officer. Per day you just need to pay 18 rupees for becoming a KS officer. Live doubt clearing session, structured and free special classes, EMI payment option, so that everybody will be able to afford it. Now, so friends, question number 7. So question number 7 is the third proportional to 16 and 36. So what will be third proportional? So friends, fourth proportional we already learned. Now let us see third proportional. So friends, suppose if you have 16 liter of milk, you are adding 36 liter of water. Now if we have 36 liter of milk, how many liters of water you are going to add. That is what has been asked in the question. Very simple, friends. So third proportional. So when you are taking 16 liter of milk, you are adding 36 liter of water. When you will take 36 liter of water, how much liter of milk, then how much liter is required? That's all simple. Multiply this two, multiply this two. So 16 into x will be equal to 36 into 36. Now 4 4 ja, 4 9 ja, again 4 9 ja. So x will be nothing but 81. X will be nothing but 81. So 81 will be required. 81 will be required. Okay. Now, so friends, this is how we will be solving it. I will give you one more question. So the third proportional to 1.5 and 3 is the third proportional to 1.5 and 3 is, okay. So what is the third proportional of 1.5 and 3? So this you can easily solve it and tell me the answer. So friends, if you are understanding, then do not forget to like the video. So if you are understanding, then do not forget to like the video, friends. So please hit a like. Please hit a like if you are really understanding each and every concept what we are discussing here. For you guys only, we have made the classes for 40 minutes, so that the concept I can discuss in more details. So hit a like button. So hit a like on the video, friends. Okay. Now what is the third proportional to 1.5 and 3? So friends, when you are taking 1.5 liter of milk, then you are adding 3 liter of water. When you will take 3 liter of milk, how much water will be required? Multiply the corner one, multiply the middle one. 1.5 into x will be equal to 3 into 3. So 1.5 will divide this by 2 times. So x will be equal to 6. So the third proportional will be equal to 6. The third proportional will be equal to 6. Very good. So SR good either. So all of you, I hope you are understanding the concept. Okay. Now friend, question number 8. Question number 8 of ratio and proportion. So friends, the problem is very easy. I will give you a hints and then see how many of you are able to solve, okay. Now, so friend, two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than a third number. So the third number, friends, I will assume as 100. Many people will assume the third number as x. So friends, it's up to you. So whatever you want, you can assume. But friends, for making the problem easier, I will always say assume 100 and then solve. Friends, if you are really understanding, then hit the like button. If you have still not hit the like button, then please do that. Okay. So Unacademy really puts a lot of effort, and we wanted everyone to learn, everyone to grow. Okay. Now friends, so you can easily solve it. Friends, and tell me what is the answer. Okay, so third number I have assumed here 100. Okay. Now friend, two numbers are respectively 20% and 50% more than a third number. So third number is 100. So my first number will become 20% more, means 120, and my third number and my second number will become 50% more. So second number will become 50% more of 100 than, that means 150. 34 ja and 35 ja. So 4:5 will be the correct answer. Okay. Now friends, I am going to give you one question here. So I will replace the data and then we will see who is going to solve it. Okay. Now, so friends, two numbers are respectively 120% more. Okay. 120% more and 150% more. I have changed the data to 20%. I have written as 120% and 50% I have replaced with 150%. Okay. Now let us see how many people are able to solve it. So now it's your turn. You can answer it here. So two numbers are respectively 120% and 150% more than a third number. The ratio of the two number will be equal to. So the ratio of the two number will be equal to. So tell me the answer first. Okay, so what is answer? 4.5. Okay, now see friends, for this question, now I have changed the question. So friends, the third number I will again assume here. The third number again I will assume here is 100. Now, two numbers, so first number and second number. So, first number is 120% more. So, 100 plus 120. Okay, see earlier it was 20%, so 100 plus 20. Now, it is 120 means 100 plus 120. And second number, so 100 plus 150. So, this will become 220 and this will become 250. Now you see, so 0 and 0 cancelled. So 22 is to, so this will become 250. 22 is to 25. So it's not 11 is to 5. It will be 22 is to 25. It will be 22 is to 25. Friends, you only think when it was 20% and 50%, what you did? You added 200. So 100 plus 20 and 100 plus 50. So it was 120 is to 150. Okay, now so you told 4 is to 5. Now it is 220 is to 250. 0 and 0 cancelled, and after that you cannot further divide. So 22 is to 25 will be the correct answer. Is it clear? Is it clear, friends, for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11. How to solve it? Now friends, question number 11, how to solve it? Okay, that we need to look into that. Okay, very good, friends. So hit a like button if you have still not liked the video. Please like it, because we are really doing each and every problem with lot of short tricks, lot of concepts, so that will really help you a lot in understanding. Friends, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. So a mixture is there. Mixture means when you are mixing two or more things, so that will be called as mixture. So when you are mixing two or more things, that will be called as a mixture. So a mixture contains, okay, thank you. So a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio of 4:3. So alcohol and water is nothing but 4:3. Okay, friends. So friends, everything we are doing in a very simple way. No need to get panic. Once you see the question, do not get afraid. Friends, problems are really simple. The only thing is we need to understand and then we need to do. So a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio of 4:3. So alcohol I can write will be 4x and water I can write will be 3x. Okay. A mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4:3. So friends, in the beginning we discussed, if any data is given in terms of ratio, then in terms of value we can write A will be 4x and W water will be 3x. Now what they are telling, if 5 liter of water is added to the mixture. So friends, when you will add 5 liter of water, then water quantity will increase. Alcohol will become 4x only, but the quantity of water will increase. So earlier the quantity of water was 3x. Now the quantity of water will increase by 5 liter because we are going to add 5 liter of water. Clear? Okay. Because of the 5 liter water addition, the ratio is changing now. The ratio is becoming 4:5. Okay, now they're asking the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So quantity of alcohol is nothing but 4x. So we need to calculate the value of x. Do cross multiplication. So 5 into 4 will be 20x. 4 into 3 will be 12x plus 20. 20 minus 12 will be nothing but 8x will be equal to 20. So x will be nothing but 20 divided by 8. So x will be nothing but 20 divided by 8. The value of x we have got. Now what they're asking is, they're asking the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture, which is nothing but 4x. So 4 into 20 by 8. 4 2s and 2 10s. So friends, 10 liter. So friends, 10 liter is the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. So option A will be the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay. So I hope for everyone it is clear. Okay. Now friends, I just wanted to tell you, friends, if you really like my classes, and wanted to join, friends, we have started with the comprehensive courses. And friends, 6th of May we started the courses, and this is in the morning 8 to 10 a.m. And friends, in this comprehensive courses, we are discussing from basic to the high level. Daily 2 hours of the session will be there. So friends, zero to hero. So friends, we are assuming that you have zero knowledge in mental ability, and then we are discussing till the high level. So friends, if you really want to join, you can click on this link. It will be given in description as also. And friends, you can use my code Pratik10. So if you use my code Pratik10, you will be getting 10% discount. Okay. So friends, you can see for 1 month the course fees is 1400 rupees. But if you are my student, if you are following the videos or the channel, then friends, you will be getting, you are eligible to get 10% discount. So once you click on this link, so you can get subscription, and friends, you have to use my referral code Pratik10. Friends, like how my concepts of maths will be simple, in the similar way my referral code will be also very simple, Pratik10. Okay, so if you use Pratik10, you will be able to get 10% discount. So friends, if you are going for 1 month plan, it will just cost you 1260 rupees for a month. And now friends, you can also see, so friends, Unacademy is going to help you in many ways. So crack Karnataka PSC with the India's largest learning platform. Friends, you are gonna prepare with the top educators. All the educators are the top educators here, and they are teaching live on Unacademy Kpsc. You can get the MCQ test series, okay, every Sunday at 5 to 7 p.m. These are our testimonial, which what a student has to say about the educator and about the Unacademy. Friends, you can watch my YouTube sessions on Unacademy Kpsc. So friends, tonight 8 to 9 p.m. I'll be solving the previous year question. So today special classes, so you can download the Unacademy app and you can watch my special classes 8 to 9 p.m. I'll be discussing the previous year reserve sub-inspector problem. So you will be getting a feel and idea of how your Unacademy we are solving the previous year question of Kpsc exam. So the today's 8 to 9 p.m. session will be very, very important. Okay, please do join. You can experience my regular classes. So already comprehensive courses has been started, friends. Okay, now you can join it. So if you really want to improve in mental ability, and if you are liking my classes, then this is the time for you to join. We have started the MCQ test series also. Friends, click on this link. The link will be also given in the description. And friends, so you can use my very simple code Pratik10. Okay, so friends, if you have liked the classes, do not forget to like the video and comment below. Friends, thanks a lot for attending the classes. Tonight 8 to 9 p.m. attend my Unacademy special classes, and you'll be able to learn a lot over there. Thank you friends. Taking off from the session. Good day. Stay home, stay safe, and study hard. Okay, thank you friends.